Common stock and preferred stock journal entry. Step 1. Calculate the cash collected in preferred and common stock. Do this by multiplying the amount of shares by the selling price. Then add those two values together after you've done it for both of those. Step 2. Split the cash collected into two parts. Base price or par value and the extra amount, or the selling price minus the par value. The math for the preferred stock is for the par value, you do the amount of shares times the original price of each share. Okay, then for the extra, or the APIC, preferred stock, for the preferred stock account, for per share, you do whatever the after price is, or the higher price, minus the lower price for preferred stock. And then you do the amount of shares, so times whatever you got for that per share subtraction equation. For check, you add what you got from the previous equation plus your par value sum. For common stock, you do par value, which is shares times the original selling price. Then you do extra, which is, first you do per share, which is the higher selling price minus the original selling price. And then do the total of that. So then you do the share sold times whatever you got for that subtraction equation. And then for the check, you do whatever your par value is plus whatever you got for the last equation you did, whatever that sum is. Okay, now the actual journal entry. Do the cash, which is, you debit cash, which is what you got in step 1 when you added common and preferred stock. Then you go down, you credit preferred stock. That is, whatever you got for preferred stock at the par value. Do APIC for preferred stock, or the extra, rather, whatever you want to say. And then you do whatever that shares times the original amount, or the original selling price was. After that, you credit common stock, which is the par value for common stock. And then you do the additional, or the APIC for common stock. Which is whatever you got for that total when did the extra in common stock. Yeah.